File this one under why didn't we think of that before? What you're looking at right now is a new computer monitor designed from LG Display. It's really quite simple and it makes a whole lot of sense. What they told me is, yeah, they can make a pretty thin computer monitor, but what about the stand? That thing is usually big and it takes up a big chunky amount of space on your desk. So what they've created are a couple of clever little ideas. This is essentially a docking station that allows you to take this monitor and put it right up against the wall without actually mounting it to the wall. A simple USB-C connection runs right up in here, and then the monitor docks right here. So you can have a computer monitor right up on your wall and a much cleaner desktop. Now, the other cool thing about this is that it doesn't have to stay there. Since it's not actually mounted to the wall or fixed in any way, you can pick this thing up and take it anywhere you want, maybe to the kitchen. Now this is really just a concept idea, but what LG Display is trying to say is, look, your computer monitor doesn't have to live at your desk all the time. You could potentially have a little docking mount like this, plop this in, say, your kitchen, or maybe you want to just take it into your bedroom, and there you have that display. So the idea is that a TV or a computer monitor doesn't have to be stationary. It's an extremely slim monitor, has a really, really nice profile. I could see this really taking off.